Table view is the perfect way to get a spreadsheet-style list of all of your scheduled and unscheduled work, all within CoSchedule Marketing Suite. See all your projects in one easy-to-scan list. With Table View, strategic planning is easier than ever. Review your marketing plan for the month, quarter, and beyond. Visualize and plan your annual campaign schedule. You can use Table View to easily prioritize the right projects when planning work for you and your team. Monitor work in progress and sort by scheduled date to make sure everything is on track to meet deadlines. Table View helps you visualize how work aligns with high-level company objectives too. Best of all, you can easily share any of these views with stakeholders or leadership by creating a read-only view. With custom fields, advanced filtering options, and tons of flexibility, Table View is another dynamic tool to organize your marketing. Contact your CSM to learn more or start using Table View today.